New York City, often simply referred to as NYC, is one of the most iconic and vibrant cities in the world. Known for its diverse population, towering skyscrapers, rich cultural scene, and bustling atmosphere, New York offers a unique and dynamic living experience unlike any other. The living style in New York City is characterized by its fast-paced and energetic rhythm. As the financial and cultural capital of the United States, the city attracts people from all over the globe seeking opportunities in various fields such as finance, fashion, technology, media, and the arts. This diverse mix of people contributes to the city's rich tapestry of cultures, languages, and traditions, creating a melting pot unlike anywhere else. In terms of housing, New York City offers a wide range of options, from luxurious high-rise apartments in Manhattan to charming brownstones in Brooklyn and Queens. However, the cost of living can be high, particularly in Manhattan, where rental prices and real estate values are among the highest in the world. Many New Yorkers embrace smaller living spaces and communal living arrangements to accommodate the city's high rents and property prices. Transportation in New York City is primarily reliant on an extensive public transit system, including the iconic subway system, buses, ferries, and commuter trains. The city's subway system, although sometimes crowded and subject to delays, is a lifeline for millions of residents, providing access to all corners of the city 24/7. New Yorkers are known for their hustle and ambition, as well as their resilience in the face of challenges. The city's competitive environment fosters a culture of hard work and determination, with many residents juggling multiple jobs or pursuing ambitious career goals. Despite the fast pace of life, New Yorkers also value leisure time and enjoy the city's countless cultural attractions, including world-class museums, theaters, restaurants, and nightlife venues. The city's vibrant neighborhoods each offer their own distinct character and charm, from the bustling streets of Times Square to the artistic enclave of Greenwich Village, the hipster haven of Williamsburg, and the historic brownstone-lined blocks of Harlem. New York City truly has something for everyone, whether you're a foodie, fashionista, art lover, or outdoor enthusiast. Life in New York City is exhilarating, diverse, and full of opportunity. While the pace of life can be intense and the cost of living high, the city's energy and vibrancy make it an exciting place to live, work, and explore.